Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose General Management. Click on Reset, and now select Factory Data Reset in order to reset your phone to its factory default settings. It will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. Simply click here, and here you've got the details regarding this reset. So as you can see, all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, SD card decryption key, and all the others. Here you've got the detailed information about the particular applications. So click on Reset to perform it and enter the pattern if you have one, and if you don't, you will not have to do it. And then click on Delete All and be patient. Wait a couple of minutes because it has to erase all the contents from your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And that's it. Now you can set up your device as a new one. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.